In this next lesson, we're going to work with multiple layers. Now, I have a cat, a dog, and a bone. All three are different layers. I'm going to go on the cat layer and move the cat layer up here. And I have this little dog bone. Move this down and move that down. By holding down Control, I can jump from one shape to another. And see how as I jump, so does the layers here. Just watch this area. Now, using the cat here, I want to get rid of this note. Well, one way of doing that is simply putting a selection over the note and simply just tapping delete. There you go, and then deselect, and that's gone. Now, if we were to lock the layer, I can simply choose lock all. If I want to lock the position, this prevents me from moving it. If I want to lock myself from painting it, that'll prevent me from painting this layer. And locking the transparency. If I choose a gradient and basically drag out, it only fills the cat. Because the checkerboard area around this cat is considered to be transparent. So by locking transparency, it means that those areas are locked, but the cat is not. Let me undo that and drag out a gradient again. And there you go. You see what happens when I bring the blending mode back to normal. It fills in everything. So you don't want that. Now, often enough you're going to have two layers that you want to move at the same time, like the cat and the dog. Now, what lets me know that I'm on this layer? This little paintbrush right here is what indicates that I'm on this layer. This is the layer that I'm working with, and this is the visibility. These control the visibility. Now, if I click underneath the cat layer right here on this little square, this creates a link or a connection between the two. There's now a relationship. Wherever the cat goes, the dog follows. So now if I move the cat, you see the cat and the dog both move at the same time, as you see. So now I can do that with the bone as well and move all three. So when you have multiple layers, this is a way of simply moving things around. We also have a layer set. If I click right here, it makes a folder. I can just call it animals. And what I can do is just drag the cat, move the cat up and drop him in, hold down the mouse, hold down the left click, move upward and drop him in. And I can close this and open this. They still react the same. It's just that these layers are now packaged in this nice folder called animals. So when your project gets like 70 layers deep, you can use, a folder to kind of put everything together. So it's really cool. In the next lesson, what we're going to start working with is transparency.